Hey fam, so my name's Rebecca. I'm going to be going over question 1013 on the homework for this week. This question just goes over bonds. It states that Ivanhoe Company issued 540,000 of 7% of 20-year bonds at the beginning of the year at face value. The first part that we're going to enter is the journal entry to record the issuance of the bonds. So we're going to debit cash by the face value of the bonds, which is 540,000, and credit bonds payable, which is 540,000. And then we're going to go to the next part, which is to prepare a journal entry to record the accrual of interest on December 31st, 2017. So for that, we're going to put in interest expense, which is going to be the face value of the bonds. So for 540,000 times the percentage, which was 7%, and then we're going to times that by the percentage of the year the bond was outstanding. So that was just one whole year that was outstanding, so that's just going to be by 1. So the number we get is 37,800, and then we're going to credit interest payable by the same amount. Then we go on to the next part, which goes over the journal entry to record the payment of interest on January 1st, 2018. So we're going to debit interest payable by the interest amount, which is 37,800, and then credit the cash by the same amount, by the interest, which is 37,800. And then the last part that we're going to go over is to prepare the journal entry to record the redemption of the bonds at maturity, assuming the interest for the last interest period has been paid and recorded. So then we don't need to add the interest there then. So we're going to debit bonds payable by the face value of the bonds, which is 540,000, and credit the cash by the same amount, 540,000. And that's it. And so I hope this helped you guys. Good luck on the rest.